Okay, bud, time to pick out your clothes. You want to do it yourself?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do you need help getting dressed?
No, I can do it by myself.
Okay. I noticed your hair needs some brushing. May I brush it for you?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, your shirt's tucked into your underwear. Can I fix it for you?
Yes.
Okay. All done? Okay. Can I give you a hug?
Yes.
Okay, buddy, lunchtime's over. You want to brush your teeth now or in 5 minutes?
Now. Now to the bathroom.
To the bathroom.
Honey, come take your multivitamins, please.
Ew, no. Those are gross.
Well, did you want a pack of fruit snacks instead? Forget the vitamins.
Yes, please.
Okay. There you go.
Mommy, there's 2 dinosaur ones in here.
There is. You must have got a special pack.
And they taste good too.
Follow me for more ways to deceive your children.
Hey, Emmy. Can we take a few breaths together? Okay, ready? One more. Oh, does that feel better?
All right, it's that time again. Time for getting ready for bed, which means that it's time to normalize some body talk. So, how old are you?
6.
6. And what are we talking about today?
Uteruses.
Uteruses. And what happens every month in a uterus?
It says, oh, I'm going to have a baby. I'm going to decorate.
It's going to decorate. And how does it decorate?
It decorates itself.
With?
And put some tissues on like blood.
Tissues on the walls. Are they nutrient rich?
Yeah.
Are they the perfect spot for a baby to grow?
Yeah.
And then what happens?
And then when it finds out that we're not, it's like, oh, fine.
Finds out we're not putting a baby in it. It says, fine. And what does it do?
It rips it all down. And
And it comes out as?
blood
That's right. What happens if a baby goes in there? It
grows.
grows.
Okay, we're putting the hold to the test. By golly, it's really working.
When I finally have kids and become a mom, these are going to be my rules. Part 4. Curfew. Yes, I will have a curfew. I feel like it's necessary. Grade 9, your curfew will be 12, and then every year after that, it will increase by half an hour. Once you graduate high school, I don't care. Stay out as late as you want. You're a grown adult. Number 2, throughout all of high school, you and your boyfriend or girlfriend can have sleepovers in my house, just not in the same bed. You can sleep in your bedroom. He or she can sleep in the spare bedroom. Once you graduate high school, you're an adult. You're very welcome to have them sleep over. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter your gender. It doesn't matter your age. You can wear makeup whenever you want or however much you want. It's your face. It's not mine. I want you to tell me about your relationships. I want you to tell me about your friendships, your boyfriend or girlfriend, anything like that. I want to hear it. I don't want you sleeping in every single day, if that makes sense. I'm not going to give you like a time you have to wake up, but don't sleep in until like 12 o'clock every single day.
Mama, no time. Mama, go away.
Okay, I'll go away.
No time.
Okay, you have your alone time. I'll be out here if you need me.
Mama, no time. No.
How are you feeling?
Brush it.
What made you feel frustrated?
Papa, me frustrated.
You can feel that way.
Mama, a long time ago.
Okay.
Cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, and on this farm he had a dog, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm.
When I finally have kids and become a mom, these are going to be my rules. Part 5. PSA, I'm not pregnant. I am not pregnant. I'm not hinting at anything. Nothing like that. I'm saving myself for marriage, in fact. So don't get those ideas. Number 1, dating. My kids can date whenever they want. There is not a set age. Number 2, I want my kids to recognize that school is important, but school is not everything. I never want them to come home crying because they're scared to tell me that they got a 60 on their math test. That's not the end of the world. We will figure it out. We will get your grades up. You're fine. Don't stress. Number 3, I will never, ever, ever force my kids to go to college or university. I could never be that parent. If they don't want to go, they don't want to go. Number 4, my kids have to do swimming lessons. Swimming is a life skill that you need. Family barbecues every single summer. We're going to have our friends and family over, going to go swimming, make s'mores. It's going to be amazing. You're invited. You're invited. Let me know if you want another part. I feel like this series is getting dragged.
Parenting hack, a behavior that gets a reaction will be repeated. So if your toddler bites you, hits you, or kicks you, and you exclaim, "Ow, that hurts," and then they repeat it, it's because they found a button to push. So what do you do as a parent in that situation? Yes, biting, hitting, and kicking is very triggering. And yes, your toddler's trying to find out if there's really a boundary there. So if you want to stop the behavior, first you have to stop taking it personally. This is totally age-appropriate behavior for a toddler. And second, you gotta simmer down your own reaction. Stay calm, mama, and clarify that boundary. I won't let you bite me. That hurts, but I'll get you something that you can bite safely. Let me know if you use this.
This is an example of how I respond to tattling. Sarah, they aren't cleaning up yet, and you said to clean up. I see. Is anyone hurt? No. Does this seem like a small, a medium, or a big problem? Probably small. In your expert opinion, do you think this is a tattle or a report? Probably a tattle. I think you'd be right, detective. As long as your area is cleaned up, you have nothing else to worry about. You're good to go.
My kids don't like wearing socks, so we keep our socks by the front door so they can put them on with their shoes, and when they come in the house, they can immediately put their dirty socks in this bag. No more socks all over my house.
I consider myself to be sort of an all right parent, but the one parenting hack I wouldn't live without at this point is this. My wife and I came up with the snack wagon. It has all of our son's favorite snacks in it, so he can eat from them whenever he wants and take it around the house.
Parenting hack from a pediatric occupational therapist. How to teach appropriate grasp for handwriting. Use shortened crayons. Ouch, ouch. Colorful. Follow for more.
A crying baby, and he just got a shot here. So this is Ashton, and here's what we do. So we pick up Ashton. I fold his right arm like this, and then his left arm in front, and then very gently hold his arms like this, hold his little bottom, and gently rock him up and down, just like that. And even though he just got a shot, look at that leg. That's a big ouch on that leg there. You can see that you can comfort him and quiet him. Again, I'm holding with my right hand his little bottom. I'm gently shaking him back and forth. We rock him up and down very gently. Sometimes we stir him to the left and we stir him to the right. And
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
You're doing so good! You're doing so good!